Degree. Degree, three types are superlative, positive, comparative. America is the richest country in the world. Change it into comparative degree. America is the richest country, superlative আছে, comparative degree turn কৰিব দিছে. Answer: America is richer than any other country in the world. Positive হ'ব, no other country is as rich as America in the world. Number 2, Rima is the tallest girl in the class. Superlative আছে, positive turn কৰিলে হ'ব, no other use হয় positive, no other girl in the class is as tall as Rima. Tall positive use হয়, comparative, Rima is taller, comparative tall taller হ'ব, than any other girl in the class. Comparative than any other use হয়. Kolkata is one of the biggest cities in India. Kolkata Indiaৰ biggest কৈছে, the biggest আছে মানে superlative আছে. Positive হ'ব, very few cities in India is as big as Kolkata. He is the best boy in the class. The আছে আৰু best আছে, তাৰমানে superlative degree আছে. Positive turn কৰিলে no other boy is as good as he in the class. Comparative কি হ'ব, he is better than any other boy in the class. Good, better, comparative হ'ব better, superlative আছে best.